Hello guys, welcome once more to the channel. Today we have an unboxing, a little bit unusual because it arrived as two boxes in one. So you can see the two separate boxes, and we're gonna pop them open, see what we have inside. Sorry about my ashy hands, it was cold and I was just too excited, ran out there and I was fooling around the Roxor, and yeah, so let's check what we got in the box. So we got the first one out. Box is empty, no instructions. Grab the next one. Let's open it up. There, with a box cutter, we open up the box, and that's the bed of the Roxor. Let's see what we got in there. I think we missed a few spots. Get that open. There, I think we have one more on the other side. Do excuse me, I'm using just one hand here because I had to hold the camera with the other hand. So we have our box fully opened, and as you can see, that is the side steps for the Roxor. Many people would go with the rock sliders, but the side steps also come in very handy, especially if you don't plan on going rock crawling or extreme extreme adventures. So this come in very handy because the Roxor is quite high, even though it has just a 9-inch clearance at the bottom, but getting in and out can be quite tricky. So we have both our side steps. I got these ones actually online on eBay. I was browsing for Roxor stuff and I saw them quite cheap. They were just like about $50 for the pair, so basically $25 a side, brand new and shipped. So I went ahead and purchased the pair. You just do a single purchase and actually it's a pair that comes to you. So that's what I got, and I plan on having those installed on the Roxor. You can see not on this side, but I believe on the other side you can clearly see that the Roxor comes pre-drilled for those side steps. You can see that there's somewhere at the bottom of the screen, bottom left, you can see that area. That's where it's pre-drilled, and when you look inside you don't see the holes because you have that bed liner material that's there. So you just have to use a drill and go through that material. It's very soft. Open it up and you have enough clearance for your side steps. Also, you need to get some mounting hardware, something to hold the steps in. Most of the parts on the Roxor are mounted using metric stuff, but you can easily get standard bolts, nuts, washers very easily at your local hardware shop or store, and that will work perfectly. And that's what I got. The large washers are for the inside, and the smaller washers and the bolts will go on the outside. So here I already have everything mounted. What I'm basically doing is just the finishing touch, cleaning up the hole I drilled from the bottom through the bed liner material. That way my bolt can fit in there easily. So I'm gonna drop the bolt and then use also the big washer to distribute the weight of a heavier person climbing on those steps. They are lightweight, but they are very well constructed. But even then, you still want to distribute the weight evenly on the floor or to a large area on the floor of the Roxor. That way you don't have dents, pitting, and having your floor destroyed. So just cleaning up a little bit of the bed liner material. The hole, of course, like I said, was pre-existing. Just put the big washer, throw in the bolt, take the little washer, the split washer and the nut on the other side, and tighten it up. I mean, the side steps come when you put them underneath the Roxor. It needs no further explanation. Everything lines up perfectly. So you just use it to have a template. You know exactly where to drill from the bottom going up. And then if you have to do any finishing, you can do it from the top because already you know where your hole is situated. So there I just had to tighten that up. And that's what the final product looks like. You can see the side steps. not the lights. That same weekend I also installed the lights, and I was just testing them out. It was dusk, but you can see the side steps, what they look like, and they really ease access into the cab of the Roxor. It's really nice. I enjoy them. I like them. Two of those bolts, just to give you the heads up, will mount where you have your seat belt or the netting that you see on the Roxor. This netting, where two of the fixtures for the netting mount, that's where the bolts will go. So just be aware, you have to take out one of those and then you mount one of the bolts holding the side step. So yeah, so I got everything mounted. It didn't take long at all. Only inconvenience, make sure your bottom of your Roxor is clean. There isn't too much mud. You have to lay down, start the hole from the bottom, and you might get a little bit of mud or dust on you. All in all, it's about a 30-minute job if you have the right hardware and the right drill bit. I love the end result. Really enjoy climbing into the Roxor now without having to stretch my leg a mile. Simply put your foot on the side step and you're in. Boom. All right, I want to thank everyone for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Click on the little bell on the bottom right, and that way you get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.